Imagine turning your spare time into a money-making machine, transforming your passions into profit, and kickstarting your journey to financial freedom, all without quitting your day job. Sounds too good to be true? Buckle up because we're about to unveil 7 game-changing side hustles that are perfect for beginners. These aren't your run-of-the-mill gigs, they're the golden tickets to boosting your bank account and igniting your entrepreneurial spirit. Whether you're a college student drowning in textbooks, a busy parent juggling a million responsibilities, or anyone in between looking to pad their wallet, these side hustles are your secret weapons. Get ready to dive into a world where your skills become your superpower and your smartphone becomes your money-making sidekick. Are you ready to join the ranks of side hustle millionaires? Let's turn those dreams into dollars. 1. Become a return facilitator, the mattress whisperer. Ever wondered what happens to all those returned couches and beds from online furniture stores? They don't magically disappear. Here's your chance to become the mattress whisperer, aka the return facilitator. Partner with online retailers to pick up these gently used treasures and resell them on platforms like Facebook Marketplace. You'll need a pickup truck or SUV, but the flexibility and profit margins are sweet. Imagine being your own boss, setting your own hours, and turning someone else's unwanted furniture into your financial springboard. Plus, you're giving pre-loved furniture a second life, which is a win for the environment too. 2. Amazon Product Arbitrage Retail Robinhood. Channel your inner Robin Hood and liberate underpriced treasures from retail stores. With the magic of Amazon barcode scanner apps, you can hunt for clearance items with hidden profit potential. Resell these finds on Amazon for a tasty markup, leaving both you and your customers grinning. This side hustle is perfect for part-timers with an eye for a bargain. Think about it. You could be strolling through the aisles of your local store, scanning items with your phone, and discovering hidden gems waiting to be flipped for a profit. It's a treasure hunt with real-world rewards. 3. Craigslist flipping from trash to treasure tycoon. Craigslist is a treasure trove waiting to be explored. This online marketplace is overflowing with free and dirt-cheap furniture, electronics, and more. With a little TLC, think cleaning, refurbishing, or a fresh coat of paint, you can transform these cast-offs into hot-ticket items for resale. Just imagine the satisfaction of turning someone's trash into your treasure chest. This side hustle is perfect for those who enjoy the thrill of the hunt and the creative process of giving something old a new lease on life. Plus, you're keeping perfectly usable items out of landfills, making it a win-win for everyone. Indeed, contract work. The gig is on. The beauty of the gig economy is its flexibility. On Indeed.com, you'll find a vast landscape of freelance and contract work, from delivery driving and virtual assistants to graphic design and even pet sitting. Choose gigs that fit your schedule and skill set, and watch your income stack up. This is a fantastic option for those who crave variety and control over their work hours. Maybe you're a college student with a jam-packed schedule, or a stay-at-home parent looking for some extra income. The gig economy allows you to tailor your work to your life, not the other way around. Printful and Etsy, the design dynamo. Calling all creative souls. Unleash your inner Picasso on platforms like Printful and Etsy. Design eye-catching graphics and turn them into mugs, t-shirts, phone cases. The possibilities are endless. The best part? Printful handles all the printing, shipping, and customer service so you can focus on creating and profiting. There's no upfront cost, so unleash your creativity and watch your designs become a money-making machine. This side hustle is a dream for anyone with a passion for visual arts, design, or catchy slogans. It's your chance to turn your artistic talent into a passive income stream. Before we move on to the last awesome business ideas, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks for building your empire. Hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we drop more game-changing business ideas. And hey, if you're serious about taking your side hustle to the next level, check out our exclusive resources and courses down there too. 6. Monetize your passion. Content is king or queen. Do you have a passion for baking, dog training, or maybe even juggling flaming chainsaws? Though safety first, folks. Share your expertise with the world by creating engaging content on platforms like YouTube and Instagram. Build a loyal following and explore monetization options like advertising, affiliate marketing, or even selling your own ebooks or online courses. This side hustle has serious long-term income potential, so unleash your inner influencer. Remember, the key here isn't just about making money, it's about building something you're passionate about. Think about it. If you love baking and spend hours perfecting your sourdough starter, wouldn't you rather share your knowledge and build a community around it, rather than be stuck in a spreadsheet jungle? 7. Home services entrepreneur, the local hero. Ever notice how your neighbors always seem to have overflowing gutters or a yard jungle that needs taming? Become the hero of your neighborhood by starting a local home services business. Think lawn care, house cleaning, or even junk removal. The startup costs are minimal, and with a little marketing magic, personalized flyers, you'll be the go-to person for all those pesky chores everyone hates. This side hustle has serious scaling potential. Imagine building a team and becoming the neighborhood's one-stop shop for all things home maintenance. Here's the beauty of this one. You're providing a valuable service, making people's lives easier, and getting paid handsomely for it. It's a win-win-win situation. Plus, you get to be the local legend everyone knows and trusts, the yard tamer or the cleaning genie. How cool is that? Remember, Kingdom Cash fam, these are just a springboard. The world of side hustles is vast and ever-evolving. There are opportunities for tech wizards, social media butterflies, and even those who enjoy a good physical challenge. The key is to find something that ignites your spark, something you wouldn't mind doing even on a Saturday morning. Well, maybe with a strong cup of coffee in hand. So, what are you waiting for? Stop dreaming about financial freedom and start building it. Take action, explore these side hustles, or discover one that perfectly suits your skills and interests. With dedication, creativity, and a sprinkle of Kingdom Cash magic, you can transform your side hustle into a full-blown empire. Remember, the only limit is your imagination. As you build your online empires, be kind, be humble, and be generous. The world needs more of that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Kingdom Cash.